So I am back with my squishies, and let's just unzip it, and let's give them a peek. So the first one I got is the French cooler one. All right, I'm gonna try and take it out of the packaging so you guys can see it more. Oh, this one increased real good. Okay, I know my timer's done. Okay, so this one's an A+. Next we have the bread. I think I see a little bit of improvement. Not really, it just made it more cold. Next we have this bun, smiley face. Yeah, no improvement here. Kind of, not really. Next I have, ooh, this one has improved. This spiral one. Again, not really improved. Next I have this Rilakkuma bear. This one got a little bit more squishy. Next I have the onigiri, I guess you could say. Little sushi. A little bit more squishiness. Let's take it out of the package. Got a little bit less cold. Next we have the Hello Kitty in an apple. Oh, this one got really squishy. A+ on this one, even though it got way more defects. That is A-okay. Wow. Next we got the teriyaki fish. Or the teriyaki, I don't know how you say it. It's a fish. This stuff is so durable. Not really. Oh, really big improvement here. You can. Oh my god. Why can't they make iBloom squishies like these? Next we have the bread. We got a little bit of an improvement. Not much. I'll give this a thumbs in the middle. Next we have the Rilakkuma bear. Oh, I hope this one's better. It kind of is kind of disappointed. Don't they say like, I don't know. Next we have the panda. Oh my god. I might freeze these. This is so squishy. Ugh. So more squishy. Oh my god. Well, it's still rising. Next we have this ice cream cone. It's so slow rising. Wow. Next we have the blue Hello Panda Bun. You see a lot of improvement. A+, nas banas. Next we have the kitty. No improvement there. Next we have the star donut. Oh, it got really hard. Ugh. Like, look how hard it got. But it's still really squishy. Like, I don't know what to call it. I'm gonna give it a C+. So next we have this failed donut. Oh, it's really squishy. Hey cat, get out. Get out of my squishies. This is my cat if you wanted to know. Hi, say hi. Say hi. So here's the squishy. Super big improvement. And lastly, we have the dog print, the paw print, and it is really squishy. My goodness. It's a really awesome squishy video. So I hope you guys like this squishy video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll have some more squishy videos be posted soon. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your evening, because it is evening out here. But if you are watching this in the morning, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your morning. Above all else, stay awesome, Papa Sums from Rachel Ballinger. Also, guys, bye!